Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit Project 14 Auto Boom Barrier. So this is identical to Project 13, replacing the push switch with the IR sensor. Okay, so remove the push switch and place the IR sensor. IR sensor, black wire goes to the negative rail, plus goes to the positive rail, and the blue wire goes to A28. Okay, so IR sensor is connected. Let me switch it on. Okay. So if some object comes in front of the IR sensor, it detects and shuts the boom barrier. If you change the position of the boom barrier from this angle to this angle, it can function in an opposite fashion. So now it is shut and some car comes in front of the sensor, boom barrier opens. Make sure that the wires are tied properly so that they don't come loose. So what I suggest is, along with the kit you get these type of wire ties. So you can put it through this hole like this, and tie the wire properly. Okay, so that these connections don't come off easily. Okay, so here is the sensor. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.